Looking for a trailer that works as hard as you do? At Lone Star Trailers, we've got you covered. We currently have a great selection of both new and used Aluma trailers in stock and ready to go. Aluma trailers are known for their lightweight aluminum construction, making them easier to tow while still delivering the strength and durability you need. Whether you're hauling equipment, ATVs, landscaping gear, or even vehicles, these trailers are built to handle it all. One of the biggest advantages? No rust. Because they're aluminum, Aluma trailers hold up against the elements, giving you long-term value and less maintenance over time. They're also designed with precision engineering and high-quality components, which means smoother towing, better fuel efficiency, and reliable performance mile after mile. Whether you're working on the job site, heading out for the weekend, or managing a growing business, an Aluma trailer is a smart investment you can count on. Stop by Lone Star Trailers today and check out our inventory in person. We'll help you find the perfect trailer for your needs.